Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of academia and share valuable tips to help you excel in your academic journey. In today's video, we'll discuss an essential aspect of writing your dissertation, the introduction. Specifically, we'll explore effective strategies to hook your readers right from the start. So let's jump right in. Strategy #1. Start with a compelling opening sentence. Your first sentence should immediately capture your reader's attention and make them curious to learn more. Consider using a thought-provoking statement, an intriguing fact, or a powerful quote related to your research topic. This will set the tone for the rest of your dissertation and engage your readers from the outset. Strategy #2. Provide a clear and concise overview. After hooking your readers, it's crucial to provide them with a brief overview of what they can expect in your dissertation. Clearly state the purpose of your study, the research questions you aim to answer, and the significance of your research topic. This will help your readers understand the context and importance of your work, keeping them interested and invested in your dissertation. Strategy #3. Highlight the gap in the existing literature. One effective way to captivate your readers is to identify the gap in the current body of knowledge related to your research area. Clearly articulate why your research is necessary to fill this gap and how it contributes to the existing scholarship. This will create a sense of urgency and relevance, making your readers eager to explore how your study addresses this gap. Strategy #4. Pose thought-provoking questions. Asking thought-provoking questions in your introduction can stimulate curiosity and encourage readers to actively engage with your research. These questions should be directly related to your research topic and should encourage readers to think about the potential implications and applications of your study. By posing these questions, you invite readers to join you on your intellectual journey. Strategy #5. Share a compelling anecdote or personal story. Personal stories have a way of connecting with readers on an emotional level. If appropriate for your research topic, consider sharing a relevant anecdote or personal experience that led you to pursue your research. This human element adds depth and authenticity to your introduction, making it more relatable and engaging for your readers. Remember, the introduction sets the stage for your entire dissertation. By employing these strategies, you can hook your readers and create a strong foundation for the rest of your research. Craft a captivating opening sentence, provide a concise overview, highlight the gap in the literature, pose thought-provoking questions, and consider sharing a compelling anecdote or personal story. These techniques will help you capture your readers' attention and keep them invested in your dissertation. Thank you for watching today's video, and be sure to subscribe to learn how to complete your dissertation in 6 months or less.